Hey, welcome back. Today, it's going to be a little bit creativity for you. You're going to make some social media posts, right? Some graphics. I know a lot of people, not people, authors, have a, sorry guys, I was bouncing my leg, have a problem with like, what do I post? I don't want to keep posting the same stuff over and over every day. Um, and I get you, and I get that, right? Like all you know is I'm just gonna post my book cover. Have you ever went to somebody's Instagram page and all they got is just that book cover, that same cover, nothing creative or anything, and then they wonder why they're not getting any book sales, and not necessarily book sales, right? Because first on platforms like Instagram, they gotta like you, they gotta know you, they gotta trust you, and then they'll go and be like, okay, I like it, I'm gonna buy the book, see you on there constantly and all that. And so to get that, to start that, this is marketing, right? The lady, like we said the other day, who sells her detox teas, and she's like, "Oh, I made $1 million last year." And you're like, "Oh, for some tea?" Well, what you think she doing? She posting every day, right? About her transition, about herself drinking it, about the tea and the discounts and working out and all that stuff. So you have to think like an entrepreneur. Remember, think like a business person. Remember that. Also, stop thinking that you should only post about the book. No. Like social media is being social on there, okay? You can post with your family, with your friends, but make it intentional, make it intentional to like, yeah, I'm taking a little break from writing to spend time with my babies. People love that, right? And show a picture or a video. Do the reels and the TikToks and all that. I know you're like, I don't do all that, but that's what's getting people to, like you, to build your readership, to want to know more about you. They all just don't know that you're an author. There's so many authors whose Instagram pages I went to, and I was like, I didn't know you was an author, right? Oh, I know what you do, like whatever your niche is. If you're a speaker and you have a book out, then somewhere within those five social media, Instagram posts that I see, I should see, them with a book or speaking, about the book. It shouldn't be just pictures of the sky and your dog, right? And you're like, man, I need help with selling my book or getting people to read it. That's your number one problem here. So what we're going to do today is you're going to get into Canva, and you're going to write, you're going to create about 10. I know number 10 is a good number, but that's 10 days of social media posts. And if you don't want to post every day, maybe you want to post weekly, then that's 10 weeks. Maybe you just want to post once a month, then that you're good for the year, right? So let's create these first so then you can kind of know the vibe. And the good part about Canva is that they have all these templates already created for you that you can get it. Also, if you go on Etsy, and Etsy is ETSY, search for like social media templates. You can even niche it down for authors. There's somebody on there who will make it for you, and you can get like 50 of them for like $5, or or something like that, right? But for now, if you're like on a budget and you're like, I just kind of want to do this myself, I don't want to keep paying anybody money. Okay, then you can do this yourself. And how Etsy is too, they create the template for you. You're still gonna have to get your butt in in Canva to do it. So why not do it for free like this? I created 40 social media graphics for authors, just for my own platform and for my own clients, who struggle with that. And so we created, just some basic level stuff, right? If you're still learning and you're, trying to figure out what you want to do, what you want to post, then that's where this comes in at. Hold on, guys. This is taking a little bit to load, and I don't want you guys just to see a blank screen. There we go. Okay, sorry about that. So as this is loading up, you make sure you have a Canva account. Okay, Canva is free, but there is Canva also has a like a paid plan for like Canva Pro up here. So I have Pro. So you get better, better templates sometimes. But this is just for you to be able to really think about like what you want, right? And how you want to, set up your page and the colors and all that stuff, right? Again, don't worry about a theme on your Instagram page. A lot of people be worried about like it needs to be a theme, and nobody's into themes no more. Like just post, man. And as you go along, it'll start getting better. It'll start looking better, right? But if you're too focused on the theme and what I want to put today, and oh, I don't know how to put a video and all this other stuff, then you're hurting yourself and you're slowing down the process and building your audience, right? And building your author platform. So keep it simple. I put here, introduce yourself, right? So you can have a post on introducing yourself. And I think we should introduce ourselves to our social media audience, especially Instagram, maybe like once a month, right? Because you get more followers after you're doing all that work and you're doing all the building and the marketing and stuff. Some people don't, yeah, they're not gonna go back 30 fucking, I'm sorry, 30 freaking post to see like what you did, and they might not have seen it the first time, right? So repurpose, do it again. So introduce yourself. This is a stock photo from someone that I follow. She she took photos and stuff just for this purpose, for you to be able to use them, but put yourself there. Okay, so the way Canva is, they have all the templates. You can go into upload, and you see how I have it already for you. Introduce yourself, your social media handle there, or your website. Yeah, you're like there on my social media, so why do I need to put the handle there? Just because it may come up on our Explore page, it may come up on somebody's timeline. They're just looking, right? They don't know who you are. If you follow so many people, they don't know. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you put your name in there, your actual author name. If you use a pen name, put that. If you're using whatever name you're using, put it in there, right? And then about the author yourself. So insert your bio. If you don't have a bio at this point, you need to get one. I do have, I think, a bio course in my Gumroad so that you can download and do, but some of this stuff you should already have these prerequisites set up, right? So then when it's time to market, you're not, fumbling and figuring things out. Throw your own picture in there if you want. I mean, whatever one you have, just go through and pick. And these are clients of mine, right? That I've already done some of this for, and we've gotten even more advanced and things. So go through and grab your photo and plug it in there. Don't keep her photo. That's a stock photo. Grab your own photo. The good part about Canva also is that you can change the colors. So once you save this template, I'm going to make sure you guys have access to this. Save this template. You can change the color. So this is just a basic color scheme, for my own author branding. But all you do is just click on it, and the color will, come up. And I'm sorry for how slow this is going today. It's probably my Wi-Fi. But click on that. It's just showing that. That's what that was like when we created the design. You see that? It's so dope. You should be able to change the color. Oh, I know what I did. I used one of the circles, but you can just find the color that you may want in it. I put like gold leaf or something, and it comes up. But if you don't like the gold leaf, you can move it. You can find your own color. You can change the color background like this. You see how that square pops up? And then the color scheme chart comes in, and you can do all that, right? So just do that. That's one. Your second one, and I have different ones in here for you. So maybe you don't like that one. Get another one, right? Get another one. You just choose one of those intros. I have one here for quotes, right? Put a quote in here, especially if you are someone who has a book of quotes or scriptures. Add that. That's a social media post, right? A book review one. So go down the list and pick. Okay, did you get any book reviews? If you don't have any book reviews, then you don't have to worry about this one. But I recommend, if someone did read your book, asking them like, hey, can you give me a quick book review, and plug it in there. And if you have book reviews, go to Amazon or go to where the reviews are, copy and paste it, in there. And these are just, simple things, right? Again, little different ideas. This one, you can put your book cover in there. This is like a little mock-up, and you can just take your book cover, put it in there. Okay. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to make 10 social media posts. You can use these, but you need to change them and make them authentic to you. And at the top of each one, it has like what day. So behind the scenes, right? A giveaway for the book. Maybe you want to give away the copy of your book for free, announcements. Um, all the different types you can put, day books for the book release. If you have a book release coming out, now you have this. All of this is social media posts and graphics for you that you need to make sure that you have. Um, Also, inside of Canva, you can search like author. I think I put in authors, and it'll show you, yeah, all those different type of templates. So you can, and but look at this crown, that's for pro, right? So just know that if you're under the regular one, it's going to show you maybe some of these like basic ones, right? But these are all ideas for you to use. Just click on it, and now there's a social media post for you. Okay, so right now you are going to log into your Canva. If you don't have it, sign up for Canva. You're going to create your social media graphics for authors, right? For your Instagram or your Facebook page. You can use them. And the way that Twitter is set up, you can now upload it on Twitter just as well. So start getting into the habit of that. Now you have this ready, and just you can just post it, right? Every day, every other day, posting this in there. Um, Let me see. And then remember that you can change the colors. Remember to change it so that it's authentic to you. This is marketing, okay? If you don't have something in the bag, something in the clip, like, oh, I don't know what to say today. I'm going to put up this picture of me behind the scenes, right? I'm going to put up this post I made the other day, or something I reposted. I'm reposting something I posted last month. I'm gonna try it again, post it with a video, or post this in the reels, right? You can take this picture, put some music behind it in an Instagram reel, and now you have another social media post. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm talking about right here? It's marketing. It's getting people to find you, to see you, to like you, to know you, to trust you, to click the link in the bio, to buy the book. That's what we're doing here. That is marketing. Okay. um Let's get started. I'll see you in the next training.